too.
I guess so.
Everything that happens from this moment on is important. To listen is to accept.
Shall we?
Do I have a choice?
No.
What the fuck was that?
If you're not willing to accept, I don't think it's worth talking.
¿Por qué no?
You sure you want to do this?
I do, actually.
It is time to strap in. Buckle your seatbelt or whatever other gringo expression means. Pon atención, güey.
It's just a job. It is not life and death.
Work, life, romance. They're all part of the same project.
You want in, or you just want to go fuck yourself?
No.
Maybe.
Nadie nos preguntó si queremos estar en esta cama. Estamos en el mismo barco.
Whatever comes, we'll face it.